The Galápagos Islands, once known for their isolation and unique wildlife, are now under the threat of drug trafficking.
In 2021, an abandoned plane carrying fuel containers raised suspicions of drug traffickers using the Galápagos as a refueling point.
The Galápagos are becoming entangled in the growing drug trade that has led to a surge in gang violence in mainland Ecuador.
International criminal organizations are working with local gangs to move drugs from South America to the United States and Europe, making the Galápagos a secret gas station for smugglers.
Artisanal fishermen in the Galápagos are taking advantage of government-subsidized fuel to engage in gas smuggling, earning substantial amounts of money.
Cocaine seizures have increased around the Galápagos, and smugglers are also transporting weapons through the islands to arm Ecuadorian gangs.
The vast and unwatched coastline, coupled with minimal U.S. presence, makes it challenging for authorities to control smuggling in the Galápagos.
Local leaders, residents, and fishermen reveal that the Galápagos are increasingly controlled by drug trafficking, with little security at airports and docks.
Some reports suggest that local officials may have links to drug and wildlife trafficking, making the situation even more complex.
Efforts to investigate the mysterious plane's arrival and disappearance have led to charges against police officers for their alleged involvement.
Isabela Island, once a peaceful community, is now affected by rising drug use, and residents are calling for rehabilitation centers to address the issue.
The lack of security at Isabela Airport has made it an ideal hub for narcoplanes, according to intelligence investigators.
Isabela residents have reported offers of large sums of money in exchange for access to the airport runway, suggesting a pervasive drug trade presence.
Despite the risks and concerns of residents, the authorities have not taken effective action to address the drug trade's influence on the Galápagos.
The Galápagos Islands' unique environment and wildlife are at risk due to the growing drug trade, endangering this UNESCO World Heritage Site.
The situation in the Galápagos highlights the broader challenges of combating drug trafficking in Latin America and its impact on local communities.
Efforts to address the drug trade in the Galápagos will require increased security measures, international cooperation, and support for affected communities.
Tourism, once a boon for the Galápagos, is now intertwined with the drug trade, posing additional challenges for conservation and safety.
The Galápagos Islands face an uncertain future as they grapple with the complex issue of drug trafficking and its consequences on both the environment and society.
The Galápagos Islands' struggle with drug trafficking serves as a cautionary tale about the far-reaching consequences of global drug demand and its impact on remote regions.